If you're looking for a way to keep your teeth clean and healthy, the Ecardy Dental Calculus Remover is a great option. The box comes with a user manual and a mirror and USB cable. The Ecardy Dental Calculus Remover is made with premium materials and medical-grade alloy steel, which means it's safe for your teeth. The tooth cleaner has up to 12,000 vibrations per minute, which means it will do a better job of removing plaque and tartar than other toothbrushes on the market. And because it's portable, you'll be able to use it whenever you want without having to worry about waiting around for someone else to show up with your water flosser. It's easy to use, just press down on each button and turn until you find the one that feels right for your teeth. You can also save money by using this tool instead of other methods like water flossers or mouthwash. It's an affordable tartar remover for teeth that works best when combined with daily brushing and regular visits from your dentist. That's all for today's review. We hope this video helped you to find the right plaque remover for your budget and teeth.